Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to move members from one WhatsApp group to another. This method is simple and saves you the time of adding each member manually. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone and navigate to the group from which you want to transfer the members. Once you're in the group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Group Info section. In the Group Info section, scroll down until you see the option called Invite via Link. Tap on this option. WhatsApp will generate a unique link specifically for this group. This link allows others to join the group without needing to be added manually. Once the link is generated, tap on the option to copy the link. The link is now saved to your clipboard and ready to share. Now, go to the group where you want to transfer the members. Open the chat and paste the copied link into the group chat. You can do this by long pressing in the text box, then selecting the paste option. After pasting, send the link in the chat. The members of the original group can now use this link to join the new group. All they need to do is tap on the link and they will be redirected to the new group. Once they accept the invitation, they will automatically become members of the new group. This process is straightforward and ensures that all members can transition to the new group without any complications. That's how you move members from one WhatsApp group to another by using an invite link. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.